Hello, yes, welcome to JSM. So, in this session, I'm going to explain some amino acids. So, basically, we know that any organic compound which contain amino group and acid group, those usually we are calling that amino acid. So, the general formula, you know that all CH NH2 COOH. Okay, so the organic compound which contain the basic group amino and acidic group COOH or which contain those we are calling the amino acids. Okay, so generally that these amino acids we can classify it in different type of ways. Okay, it is based on the position of NH2 group. We can say that alpha amino acids, beta amino acids and gamma amino acids. Otherwise, based on this NH2 and COOH group, maybe some contain more than one NH2 group. Those usually we can call that basic amino acids. Maybe there's a more than one COOH group contained, that usually we can also call as an acidic amino acids, and somewhat containing same number of NH2 and COOH, those we can call that neutral amino acids. Okay, but here in this session I am going to explain one the major important classification that is based on requirement. Okay, so based on requirement we have two different type of amino acids. One is essential amino acid and another one is non-essential amino acids. So generally when we observe that, so some of the amino acid our human body can easily prepare that one. Okay, so that means we are not taking from that outside diet. Those type of amino acids usually we can call non-essential amino acids. Okay, non-essential amino acids, the amino acids which can prepared by that human body, that means we need not to take from that outside diet. Those usually we are calling non-essential amino acids. But some of the amino acids cannot prepared by that human body, so you must take from that outside the diet. Those usually we can call that essential amino acids. So here that based on requirement, I classified into two types. Okay, so totally there are 20 amino acids are there. So 10 I am given under the non-essential amino acid and another 10 comes under essential amino acid. Okay, so here now I am going to give that one trick how to remember non-essential and essential amino acids. Okay, so here totally 10 non-essential amino acids are there. First look at non-essential, then after you can look for that essential amino acid. Okay, so glycine, alanine and serine. Okay, glycine, alanine, serine. Glutamic acid, aspartic acid, okay, proline. Glutamic acid, aspartic acid, proline. That glutamine, aspargine, cysteine, tyrosine. So generally these are 10 comes under non-essential amino acids. Okay, so glycine, so alanine, serine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, proline, glutamine, aspargine, cysteine, tyrosine. So these 10 just simply you can remember with that first letters. So which I am giving that gas, gap, gat. Okay, so gas, gap, gat. These 10 which comes under non-essential amino acid. Got it? Okay. Now come for the essential amino acids. So here another 10 essential amino acids are there. One is valine, isoleucine, phenylalanine. Okay, valine, isoleucine, phenylalanine. Next, histidine, arginine, leucine, lysine. Histidine, arginine, leucine, lysine. Okay, threonine, methionine, tryptophan. Tryptophan. Okay, so these 10 comes under essential amino acid. Valine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, histidine, arginine, leucine, lysine, threonine, methionine, tryptophan. Okay, so these 10 just you can remember with the help of this shortcut. So VIP all. So made up of TMT steel. Okay, just you can remember that VIP all made up of TMT steel. Okay, so here you know that VIP valine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, okay, alanine, and histidine, arginine, leucine, lysine, and TMT, threonine, methionine, and tryptophan. Okay, so these are the a simple way to remember the most important 20 amino acids which I have given under the two different type of classification, essential and non-essential amino acids. Thank you.